So Shiba Inu Coin seems to be recovering very nicely off of the recent lows. Bitcoin is up, Ethereum is up. I mean, literally everything except Luna is up at this point, right? Guys, the crypto market, the stock market is looking very good today. And I want to talk about some of the reasons why, and I want to talk about some of the reasons that we may see further headwinds and further downturns if this recovery doesn't keep pace. Because at this moment in time, guys, Shiba Inu Coin, 800 points per coin a couple of days ago, above 1,400 points per coin right now. You're talking nearly a 100% gain just in the last couple of days. These gains in all coins are massive. Will they continue or not? That is the question that needs to be answered. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit's going to get you guys 5 free stocks, and any $1 crypto trade is going to get you your choice of $5 in free crypto. And yes, you can choose Shiba Inu Coin. And then if you want crypto exclusive exchanges, you have those down there as well, each with their own rewards. But guys, we have got some massive gains going on in the crypto market and going on in the stock market right now. And I see a lot of people already starting the polls out there and the surveys out there on social media. Did we hit the bottom? Did we bounce off the bottom? You know, was that it? Was that the downturn? And now we're going to move higher. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm going to talk about why I don't think that the bottom was necessarily met yet, but the vast majority, it was about 70% of the people, believe that we have hit a bottom because of all of the FUD that the media is trying to spread out there. There was a lot of reasoning that the reason we were down in the first place was because of fear, uncertainty, and doubt caused by mainstream media. And although I do agree with that, okay, I agree that a lot of the stuff that's in the media these days push Shiba Inu Coin down. A lot of the stuff that's in the media these days push cryptocurrency down. But I don't know if they're going to stop posting that. If they continue with the FUD, wouldn't you imagine that we will continue to see hard times ahead? So let's talk about that, because clearly Shiba Inu Coin going from 800 points per coin to 1,400 points per coin is a massive gain. I'm sure there's people out there wondering whether or not they should have averaged down, if that was it, if they missed the dip, and so on. Well, look, I truly believe that we saw an influx of buyers in not only Shiba Inu Coin, but Bitcoin and so on as well, because the prices were so cheap. It was a massive bargain, and it was perceived as a very deep discount because of the recent prices that we've seen. Now, let's look at Bitcoin, for example. If you're looking at Bitcoin, 30,000, which it is above 30,000 at the moment, and seems to be floating, right? It seems to have its head above the water and doesn't seem to be drowning right now. So that's a very positive sign. But it broke down through 30,000, and there was a couple days level of support down to that $25,000 level, and that is exactly where it went. It went down and touched that, oh man, it literally was a couple of day level of support that we had back in, I believe, the beginning of 2021. Bounced off that level and started to move higher again. Now, knowing that it was a very insignificant level of support, people viewed it as really cheap, okay? And that's why they went in there and they were able to buy it up. And of course, when buying pressure comes in, the stock price, the crypto price, the price of Bitcoin moves higher, and that is what we saw. So what we have are not buyers buying Shiba Inu Coin and Bitcoin and crypto right now because of intrinsic value, or because of, a turnaround in overall market sentiment. We have people buying crypto and Shiba Inu Coin right now because they are cheap. And does that last, is the question. Well, unfortunately, prices start to look more expensive. And if they look more expensive, they're going to be unwilling to continue buying. And if you're unwilling to continue buying, the price of Shiba Inu Coin is going to have to come back down until it's perceived as cheap again. What we really need to see is one of two things happening. Overall market sentiment changing. And how does that happen? It's not just based on the price action. Right now, with inflation and interest rates in Russia and China and Ukraine and you know, shortages and food shortages and everything that's going on across the globe, these things need to be remedied. There's no other way around that. If we want long-term sentiment change, we have to change what's causing the negative sentiment in the first place. And that hasn't happened yet. So if we expect sustainable growth and sustainable movement to the upside in prices of Shiba Inu Coin and Bitcoin and so on, we need to make sure the things that were causing the downturn to begin with are no longer there. That part is what's causing me to believe we could see continued downside. Now, if we do, okay, if it continues to move to the downside, how far down can it go? Because the gains are looking nice right now, but we always have to prepare ourselves in case something bad does happen or in case the market continues to move lower. You know we have that little level of support now at $25,000 on Bitcoin, and that coincides with a level around 800 points per coin on Shiba Inu Coin. You know, I know it's a much more drastic move on Shiba than it is on Bitcoin, but you have to correlate those two and really watch those two, knowing that Shiba Inu Coin moves at a much more exponential rate than Bitcoin does. That's the first level. The next level, and perhaps a stronger level, is Bitcoin at $20,000 per coin. Now, this would be roughly a 30% drop in price from where we are currently at. And I don't know if we'll get there anytime soon, but that would really be the line that needs to hold up from where we're at right now. Hopefully we've got support that can maintain itself at that $30,000 level and below that $20,000. And guys, if it continues to break down, if the market in Shiba Inu Coin continues to fall and you know the crypto doom and gloomers come back out of the woodwork and everybody's telling you that cryptocurrency is going to get blasted again, $10,000 per coin on Bitcoin would mark a drastic decline in all of the altcoins as well. But it would also mark, you gotta look at the silver lining, a very, very huge buying opportunity across the board. But I want to know what you guys think, okay? Like, you've seen all the polls out there. You've seen everybody doing these things on social media. Do you think the bottom has been hit? Do you think we will start soaring now? And did you or will you load up if this dip continues? Let us know down in the comments below, guys. And if this button right here is still red, you know what to do. Click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You got ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram, Webull, Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com in the description below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.